This is the Yang style 37 posture form, and we'll do the first section from the opening movement to apparent closure. We'll do it two ways, first facing you, so everything you're doing on the right, I'll be doing on the left, and the second time I'll face away from you, so we're doing the same form in the same way. One is a mirror view, and the second is the same. 3 deep breaths to begin with. Drop the weight into both feet evenly and relax for the first breath. Second exhale, see if you can relax energetically. And the last exhale, begin your form. Drop into that right leg, let the left heel lift as you sit down. And then inhale, step the left foot out. Exhale, shift, slightly overdo it, and down. Lifting hands, movement 1. Ward off right. It's really just sort of a half ward off. Ward off left. This is our first real taiji movement here. Shift first, then twist. Adjust the foot to the corner. Now our grass sparrow's tail sequence. Grass sparrow's tail, ward off right. Roll back. Press. Left hand catches up with the right. Separate. And push. Transition into single whip. Inhale, pull back high. Exhale, extend to the corner. Inhale, right hand forms a water drop, left hand catches it. Exhale, strike with the back of the wrist. Right hand strikes, left hand at the lower belly. Inhale, draw in, single whip to the side. Big step, exhale. This is a transition. Shift back, and then shift forward. Open to the corner, and then angle to the front. Inhale. Exhale, shoulder strike. Okay, scoot over here a little bit. Shoulder strike. Inhale. 2, white crane spreads wings, exhale. Inhale, brushing twist step. 1, heel drops down. 2, foot in, hands to the corner. 3, cover high and low, and step. 4, brush knee, press. Inhale, step up, half step, play guitar. Inhale, another brush knee. The last movement in the form, show you again from a little bit behind. We take 2 steps forward here. This is called step through. Sorry, on this side. Step through. We take that right leg, lift up, right leg and left and right arm. Left hand, you can't quite see from the back. It's as if you have the handle of a bucket and the bottom of a bucket, and you're lifting the bucket up and then dumping it out. So this is called step through, that's the step. Deflect downward, that's the fist. Parry, that's the palm. Step through, deflect downward, parry, and punch. Separate, pull back high, and push. Inhale again, pull back high. Exhale. Notice the left hand goes part way and then changes direction. The right hand continues here and here. Same form, but reverse. So I'm going to start a little bit over here. We'll still go in that direction. 3 breaths. First breath, relax physically. which means relax the ankles, knees, hips, low back, middle back, shoulders, elbows, hands. Second breath. See if you can melt into the ground, maybe smiling down from the ground to your feet. And then on that third exhale, fall into the right heel. Let the left heel lift. Inhale, step. Exhale. Side. Lifting hands. Push. Ward off right. Right toes to the corner. Ward off left. Left foot when we step it, steps directly forward. But now we need this left foot to go to the corner so that we can step the right foot in, and now our grass sparrow's tail ward off, which goes here, and then the whole ball goes slightly off to the side. Roll back. Left hand catches up with the right, press. Separate, withdraw. Push. That's the end of the grass sparrow's tail sequence. Transition. Inhale. Exhale. Toes lift. Extend to the corner. Inhale. Right hand forms a water drop. Left hand catches it. Exhale. Extend. Inhale. Exhale. Transition here. Inhale. Shift back. Exhale. Forward. Strike with the back of the hand. Inhale. Open to the corner. Toes and turn. Exhale. Line up to the front. Inhale. Went to the corner. Exhale. Shoulder strike to the front. Inhale. Prepare. And exhale. Spread wings. White crane spreads wings. Inhale. Brush knee. And press. Inhale. Step up. Play the lute. Leave off. Inhale. Each of these movements ends with an exhale, by the way. I just have a bit of emphasis. Inhale, shift back. Shift back, let the toes lift. Step through, deflect downward, parry, and punch. Left hand now comes to the outside of the elbow, separate, withdraw, and push. Pull back high. Rotate. Arms cross, right hand is on top. And down. The next movement actually shifts us a little bit over to the left, but we're not there quite yet. Don't worry about getting all of the movements precise. The way the form is built, once you have the general idea, actually starts from the feet. So if you get lost, hopefully you can see my foot positions in all of these different locations. Look for your basic taiji stance, 45 degrees between the feet, but notice sometimes the toes pick up at the beginning of the move, and sometimes in the middle of the move, the heel is up and we're in sort of this position partway through the inhale. All right, good job with your practice. Keep it up.